Welcome to Venba Mom's Kitchen. My today's recipe is a simple, easy and cool homemade kulfi. We need only 4 ingredients to make this dessert. Okay, come let's get started and catch up with the recipe. First, take a vessel and pour 1 cup of thick milk without water. I have taken half liter of milk and let it boil for few minutes. Then take a mixer jar and put dry nuts. I have taken few cashews and almonds and then few cardamom pieces and grind into a coarse powder and keep them aside. Then dissolve 1 tablespoon of corn flour with water and mix well without any lumps. This is to make thick consistency. Once milk attains boiling stage, add this corn flour syrup in it and give a stir. Then after few minutes, add 1/4 cup of sugar and stir well. After 5 minutes, when the mixture has thickened, add dry nuts powder. Stir well for few minutes in low flame. Once thick consistency comes, switch off the stove and bring this to room temperature. Then pour this mixture to a glass. I don't have kulfi mold now, so using steel glass as a mold. Take a plastic cover and cut into a square shape like this. Wrap the glass and put the rubber band over it. If you have aluminum foil, you can use that too. Then take a knife and make a small hole and fix a kulfi stick in it. We can use paper cups also instead of steel glass. This is ready now. We can place inside a freezer to freeze it. It will take 7 to 8 hours to set. Now 8 hours got over. We can unmold the kulfi now. Take some water in a bowl and place the mold inside it. We can unmold it easily using this method. Now our cool, delicious dessert is ready to serve in this hot summer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell button.